Let us study octal number system. The base of octal number system is 8. That is, it has 8 symbols. The octal number system has 8 possible numbers from 0 to 7. It means it consists of 8 symbols. Those are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Let us see how to convert given octal number into decimal. Suppose the given number is 243, which is in octal. Let us see what is decimal equivalent of this. 243. Assume that this is 0th position, this is first position, this is second position. That is 2 into base of octal number system is 8 raised to 2 plus 4 into base is 8, the power is 1 plus 3 into base is 8 and the power is 0. Simplifying this, 2 into 64 plus 32 plus 3. Simplifying this, we will get 163. Therefore 243, which is in octal, its decimal equivalent is 163. Let us take one more example. (124), which is in octal, convert into decimal. 124, it can be represented as 1 into base is 8, 0th position, this is first position, this is second position, 2 plus 2 into 8 raised to 1 plus 4 into 8 raised to 0, that is 64 plus 16 plus 4, which is equal to 84. Therefore 124, which is in octal, the decimal equivalent of this is 84. Let us see how to convert a given decimal number into octal. Decimal to octal conversion is done by repeated division by 8. As we know, in case of decimal to binary conversion, the given decimal number is repeatedly divided by 2, because in binary number system the base was 2. In octal number system the base is 8. Therefore the given decimal number should be repeatedly divided by 8. Let us take one example, 283, which is in decimal. Let us find what is equivalent octal number of this. Divide 283 by the base of octal number system, that is 8. We know 8 3 is a 24, remainder is 4, 4 3 becomes 43, 8 5 is a 40 and the remainder is 3. Let us divide 35 again by 8, 8 4 is a 32, the remainder is 3. Now further we cannot divide 4 by 8. Now we have to stop this process. Let us see what is octal equivalent of this. Therefore 283, which is in decimal, is equal to, these remainder should be written from bottom to top in this order, that is 4, 3 and 3. This is in octal. So 433 is octal representation of decimal number 283. Let us take one more example. 847 which is in decimal, what is octal equivalent of this? Now divide 847 repeatedly by 8. That is 8 ones are 8, 4, 0, 47, that is 8 5s are 40, the remainder is 7. Again divide 105 by 8. That is 8 ones are 8, remainder is 2, 25. 8 3s are 24, remainder is 1. Again divide 13 by 8. 8 ones are 8, remainder is 5. Now we cannot divide 1 by 8. So we have to stop this process and we have to consider all the remainders from bottom to top in this order. That is 847 which was in decimal, the octal equivalent is 1 5 1 7. Let us take one more example. 125.951 which is in decimal. Let us see what is octal equivalent of this. Here the number contains the fraction part also. In such cases, first consider the full number and convert this into octal by repeated division by 8. That is 125 divided by 8 repeatedly. 8 ones are 8, remainder is 4, 45. 8 5s are 40, remainder is 5. Divide 15 by 8 again. 8 ones are 8, the remainder is 7. Further 1 cannot be divided by 8. So I can write 125 is equal to 175, that is octal equivalent. Now consider the fraction part 0.951. While converting fraction decimal number into octal, we supposed to multiply the fraction decimal number by 8 repeatedly. That is, multiply the fraction number, that is 0.951 by 8, we will get 7.608. Consider the integer number, that is 7. Note down 7 here. Now consider only fraction part, that is 0.608, that is nothing but 0.608. Again multiply by 8 into 8, we will get it as 4.864. Now consider only full number, that is 4. This is 4. Now consider the fraction number, that is 0.864. 0.864, multiply it by 8, we will get 6.912. Take this number, that is 6. Now again multiply 0.912 by 8. 0.912 by 8, which is equal to 7.296. That is, the integer part is 7. So as we know, this process is continued. We supposed to multiply by 8 until we get zeros here, but in this values we never get zeros. It is a never ending process, so we supposed to stop after 4 or 5 decimal numbers, after 4 or 5 iterations. Now we can represent the integer values from top to bottom that represents the octal equivalent value, that is 0.951, which was in decimal. The octal equivalent of this is 7 4, 6 and 7. That is, here we supposed to give the decimal point. Now considering both